Hey guys, Glen. If you're on my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. What I wanted to show you is I'm just going to show you how to build out a quick bonus page in the System IO product. So if you don't know, I have a school group and you can join that. And with that, you get my whole funnel, everything I do. And one of the pages that I put in the the funnel I give you is this Freedom Blueprint bonus page. And then I realized, I could actually use that for review videos. And I'm using another tool, actually really cool AI tool out of Millionaire Whistleblower, and I'll show you how you can get that. But I'll show you exactly what I'm doing. And this is so simple, guys. This is a really easy way to do a bonus page delivery. So let me just show you. So you're going to get this if you're in my school group, you get it. If you sign up for my email list, you get this. So you get this, all right? So this is the actual. Let's see. Okay, so this is the bonus page. I'll show you this. So this is my bonus page. And now if you guys use this bonus page, of course, you want to change out your links, put your video here or your picture there. But you'd want to change out anywhere there's a link, you want to anywhere there's an affiliate link. You don't want to actually change the stuff that you're giving them, like the import, the funnel stuff. Just where there's an affiliate link, you want to change it out. So what I did is, this is already a bonus page. Also, if you're, you could give them your guide here, or if you're in if you're not in Digital Wealth Academy, guys, I recommend getting in there. I know it's a $500 thing, but man, I'll show you what's in there. There's tons and tons of stuff in there. I'm not even scratching the surface. But so what I did is I just went over here and I hit duplicate, and I duplicated it, and I created this page. So I changed the name of it, and it's called Bonus Page Delivery. So I could actually just make clone after clone after clone of this. So what it's got in here is it's got all my big bonuses, because I really want them to buy this high ticket item. So I make the high ticket program, right? And then I give bonuses, and you can change this out or whatever. I also give them the hack in here. But look at right here. This is for AI Coloring Book Academy bonus. So this is a review video I did on YouTube. So I wanted to add some bonuses for it. So what I did is, this is really cool. So I went over, and let me see if I got it here. Okay, so I went over here to this. This is in. I'll put a link for this below too. This is in Millionaire Whistleblower. Guys, you definitely want this. And in here, there's a product review creator. So a bonus creator, I mean. So what I did is, you give it part of the sales page, and then it creates these bonuses. So I just did the two of them, and I thought, while I'm doing this, I should just show people how to do it. So where are the bonuses? So now I've done two. So number 3 is they gave me 5 titles to choose from. So I'm going to get it to make number 3. So now make number 3. And these are really good. These are high quality AI generated. They're real world information that you want to use, and people want this information. So what it's doing is going out and getting all the best practices, and it's compiling it into a PDF, and you give that away as a bonus. This is so people don't have to go find this stuff themselves, and they've got, at their fingertips, they have exactly what they need. So now it's created that. So what I want to do is I want to go up and I want to copy it. Here's the beginning of it. So it's called Ultimate Coloring Book Niche Finder. So I want to shift and I want to copy it. Now I want to go over to my Google Docs, and I just made a new Google Doc. I'm just printing over the same one. So I'm going to select all and print over it. So now I've got this Ultimate Coloring Book Niche Finder. I'm going to go up here. I'm going to name it. I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go Download PDF. So now it's just downloaded it for me. So now I'm going to go. So now I've got this bonus to give away. So I've got bonus number 3 to give away. And because I just had the title in there, it's called the Ultimate Coloring Book Niche Finder. So I'm going to take it off bold. I'm going to highlight. I'm going to click this little link thing here, and I'm going to link it. And see, I can type in a URL, but I can also click this. This is for a download. So this is where I can put something up on system, and then they're able to download it. So I'm going to hit the download button, and it says select my file. So I'm going to go right there's the one I just downloaded. Open it. So now it's in here, Ultimate Coloring Book Niche Finder. So I'm going to hit Insert. You got to hit this little thing here or it won't save it. Save it. Now I just like to make it pretty, so I'm going to underline it and I'm going to make it the same blue color. So now I've just added a third bonus. So now when we go see this bonus page, they're going to come in here and they're going to go, oh, your bonuses are below. This is just a preview page. So they're going to look and go, oh, get Ultimate Freedom. They're going to scroll down. They get the blueprint hack. So you can say, I'm giving you a blueprint hack. But then they get the AI Coloring Book Academy bonuses. Click on this. There it is. There's their bonus right there. And literally done in minutes. This is going to take me just a few minutes to finish this up. And then once I'm done that, I would take the oh, that's the wrong one. So that's save changes. So exit here. So what I want to do is I want to grab this URL, and then I would go over to offers, AI Coloring Book Academy. Here it is right here. There's actually got two in here. Link settings, and I would put it right in there. So see what I did? I went into where I've got the link setting. So I go into link setting and I put the save. So now when they buy this, it's going to say access your bonuses, and they're going to be able to access their bonuses. And when they click on here, they're going to get my bonus page, and they'll scroll down, and I'll put the last two there. And now I've given them 5 bonuses that is congruent with the AI Coloring Book Academy. Now I can actually go list these on my YouTube video. So I'll be able to put them bonuses included. So this was just something that was AI generated, but I can put these, oops, undo, go back to the bonus page, view funnel step, copy. Of course it's not finished, so I'll fix it. Oops. Go back here, and then I would paste it there. So clean it up and see what I just did there, guys. So that's it. So when I flush out the rest of these, I'll just add it. So I just gave them 5 bonuses, which took me literally minutes to do using the power of AI. So guys, this is what you want to be doing. If you're watching this on my YouTube, I'll put all the links below. So yeah, let me see, where am I? And then you just do the same thing for the next 2. And where's my camera? Okay, so basically that's how you do it. So if you're on my YouTube, make sure you hit subscribe, thumbs up. If you're in my school group, guys, it's just another training for you. And yeah, so this is how you're going to be able to get, make bonuses really, really quickly. So I'll put a link to my school, guys. Come and join me in my school group. If you want my bonuses, sign up to go to the link in my profile. You can sign up for my list. I'll put, if you want to get the Whistleblower AI, it's the AI Army upgrade. So it's very, very, very cool to use. It's funny because I did a review on it. Now I'm showing you exactly how to use it to make bonus content, which is really, really cool. And so if I wanted to do another review video, I would do the same thing, right? I'm in here. I could, I would just, bonus page delivery, I would just duplicate it again, and I would, maybe I want to do bonus delivery page AI Coloring Facebook Academy. All right, so this would be AICBA, and I would just save it like that. Right, so now then I can make bonus page after bonus page, but I'm always offering as a bonus, and I'm always selling that high ticket product, which is basically, that's where the money is, guys, and this is what you want to be doing. All right, hopefully I'm showing you some tricks of ways to get. Oh, it says it's invalid. Oh, because it's capitals. AICBA. There you go. Yeah, for whatever reason they don't like capitals in there. All right, guys, that's it. That is my training for you. Go use it. Make sure you grab that Whistleblower AI Army. That's very, very cool. Again, the link is below. Hit subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.